In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the user guide on app.na2.hubspot.com. Whether you're a beginner or someone already familiar with HubSpot, this guide will offer you a seamless experience. We'll cover this in simple and easy-to-follow steps, so you can optimize your workflow efficiently. Firstly, let's start by heading over to the HubSpot user guide. To do this, open your web browser and simply enter the URL or click on the link provided to you. This will take you straight to the user guide section of the HubSpot portal. It's a comprehensive resource designed to help you get the most out of HubSpot's many features. Once you're on the user guide page, the next step is to click on the Companies section. If this is your first time, this section is quite important as it helps you manage and organize crucial information about companies you're dealing with. A well-managed companies section can be really advantageous in streamlining your various business processes. Just click on the link that says Companies, and you'll be able to access all the available resources and information neatly laid out for you. Following that, let's move on to clicking on HubSpot. In this context, the navigation process is intuitive and clearly marked, ensuring you don't waste time looking for the right section. Once you click on it, it'll direct you to the main contacts area, where you can view or work on the existing entries. This area is crucial for maintaining and reviewing your current client or company relations, so familiarize yourself with the layout. The final step is to click on the Add Playbooks option. This is an exciting feature within HubSpot, especially useful for those in management or client-facing roles. Playbooks are essentially a collection of notes, scripts, questions, or any content that aids structured conversation and interactions. By clicking Add Playbooks, you can customize or expand these tools to better fit your evolving business needs or team strategies. As you follow these steps, take your time to explore and understand each section fully. The simplicity of HubSpot's interface is meant to guide you smoothly, but don't hesitate to click around and familiarize yourself with anything new you might encounter. Utilizing these guides effectively can save significant amounts of time and ensure that your team has access to all the current best practices within your industry. By the end of these steps, you should be comfortably navigating your way around the user guide and have begun integrating valuable insights into your ongoing business strategies. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to revisit any part of this video should you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and here's to optimizing your HubSpot experience.